Well, hello there.
Well, hello there.
It's Rob from Miles Board. Oh, you cute phantoms. It's Rob from Miles Board with a rust. Well, hello, San Diego. It's Rob from Miles Board with your Phantom delivery update. Today we've got 38 Phantom Pros going out. 32 went out yesterday, and by the end of this week, all of the 200 Phantoms that came in will be shipped out. So let's see who the lucky guys are that are getting their boards shipped out today.
All right, so we have Felicia, Camas Valley, Oregon, Carlos, Allentown, Pennsylvania, Nicholas, Victoria, British Columbia. We have Brannon, Sacramento, California, Yadira, Rancho Cucamonga, California, Ika, Portland, Oregon, and lastly, Yuri, Annandale, Virginia. Woo!
We've got Philip in Macomb, Jorge, Naples, Florida, Richard, Waynesboro, Pennsylvania, Peter in Irvine, California, Crystal, Los Angeles, David, Arlington, Virginia, Sam in Sacramento, California, Mark, Mats, Ty in Virginia Beach, Virginia, Lee in Crested Butte, Colorado, Kyle in Virginia Beach, Ridge in Ohio, Zachary, Duluth, Minneapolis, MN, Minnesota. I think it's Minnesota. Damn, I didn't graduate 4th grade. Roger in Barnstable, Massachusetts. Theta Cube in Rochester, Minneapolis. Dean in Duluth, Minneapolis. A lot of Minneapolis. Nicholas, Chesapeake, Virginia. Sorowis, Rancho Cucamonga. John in Eagle Pass, Texas. Twan in Riverside, California. Joey in Northridge, California. I can't do all these, but I'll get close. Colton, Concord, California. Nicholas, Sacramento. Zachary, Gresham, Oregon. Richard, oh, we got you, Richard. Stephen, Huntington Beach. Vincent, San Marcos. Jared, Billerica, Massachusetts. Dustin in Carruthers, California. Jason, Miami, Florida. Lucio, Silverdale, Washington. Ralph in St. Catharines, Ontario. That's Canada, all right. Garrett in Fort Smith, Arizona. And there's plenty more going out tomorrow as well. All right, today there are 34 pros going out. Let's see who to. Jonah in Alamosa, Colorado. Stevie, Auburn, Alabama. Jovi in Daly City, California. Laird, Albuquerque, New Mexico. Jeremy, Gloucester, Massachusetts. Bradley, Coronado, California. Johnny, Tacoma, Washington. Somebody in San Diego, California. And what's this last one? Jeremy in Calgary, Canada. All right, your turn.
How do you do this so well? We've got Jonathan from Montana. Scott from Connecticut. Juan Reyes from Florida. Miss Vickers from New York. Christian from Florida. Morgan from Las Vegas. Jesse from Thousand Oaks, California. Francisco from Miami, Florida. Manuel from Modesto, California. That's this row. No, it's very difficult.
All right, we got a celebrity guest to read the last row of Phantom names here. This is JJ from the YouTube channel, Jaycation. If you haven't seen his video yet on the Phantom, he rocks a Phantom. He's gonna show you where to ride in San Diego, Las Vegas, where else? What's coming up soon?
New Orleans.
New Orleans.
More Vegas to come, man.
And we might do a ride to Tijuana soon. So
Yeah,
check out his channel, Jaycation.
For sure.
All right.
All right, guys, so we got Daniel from Cincinnati, Ohio coming to you. Maria from West Valley, Utah. Shout out to Utah. Cheston from Texas. I can't read that. Nacogdoches, Texas. Atticus from Lynchburg, Virginia. Jonathan from Redlands. And Dee Soria from Highland, California. Miles Phantom, all coming your way.
Hey, what's up? I'm Kaylee. This is my Miles board, and let's get some of these names written. We've got Ria Donna in Los Angeles, California. We have Victor in Tulsa, Arizona. And we've got Renee in Des Moines, Iowa. Woohoo!
If you didn't get your name read, keep an eye out for the shipping notification with your tracking number. Enjoy the boards, guys. Please ride safe out there. Remember, a helmet can save your life. Thanks for your patience and enjoy.